the Song of Songs. Read the story of a humble musician with extraordinary talent. This musician has extraordinary talent. Okay, he has more talents. Okay, he can do nice music work. Okay, slowly, gently, the exhausted musician laid his tanpura. Laid means kept. Laid. Okay, laid his tanpura on the carpet. Okay, so laid means kept. Laid his tanpura. Tanpura is this one is called the tanpura. This instrument, musical instrument. On the carpet. Carpet means toy, right? This is the carpet, a cloth like thing, right? So the exquisite strengths, exquisite, first I told exhausted musician. She was already tired, right? Huh? Exhausted means she was already very tired. Yes. The exquisite strengths. Here, the beautiful sound of music. Exquisite strengths means the music. The exquisite strengths of a rag, okay, Darbari. Huh? Darbari. Darbari means it's a rag. One of the great rags. Raga means music has some ragas. Okay. Ragas means some tunes, right? Some tunes. So exquisite strains means beautiful sound of a music of this raga still vibrated within the hall. He has finished it, but still it is vibrating. Okay, means still people are thinking about this. Actually, music is over. It will not be vibrated, but it is vibrating in the minds of the people. Right? Emperor Akbar looked up. Okay. Huh? His eyes lit. Lit means light past tense lit. His eyes lit with admiration. Okay. Actually lit past participle. Lighted, lit. Okay. So that means his eyes are already lit. Okay, are already lit. Lit means already he is very happy. Okay, already lit with admiration. That means he wants to admire. He wants to praise. प्रशंसा କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି. Okay, a musician, right? So his eyes are already lit with the. So he looked up. Wonderful, he said. से कहले बहुत बढ़िया, super. I listen to you every day. Every day से तांको सुनाए, है ना? But I can't seem to have enough. Okay? Huh? I can't seem to have enough. Means you have given me the enough. You have given me enough. I don't see more is there. Okay, you have given me the full. Okay, or I am enjoyed fully. Right? Wonder, gala. Then Tansen bored in silent gratitude. Gratitude. Tansen means this musician is Tansen. Nobody but Tansen. So Tansen bored mane in the munda nuaiba. Bored mane kona munda nuaiba. In silent gratitude. से किसी कहलेनी साइलेंटली थैंकफुल हेले ग्रेटफुल हेले ओके ये जेहेतु तांको प्रशंसा कले से ग्रेटिट्यूड जणैले एमती यस सर बोली हैला Tansen bored in silent gratitude. I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world, said Akbar. Akbar ahuri praise kale. Okay, Akbar, okay, ahuri admire kale. Admiration. Je, you have the most wonderful voice in the world. But I don't. Okay, Sahansa. Okay, said Tansen with a smile. से हसिक कहले कौन कहले बट आई डोंट ओके आई डोंट हैव दैट वॉइस देयर इज समवन हु सिंग्स फार बेटर देन आई डू मोर टू बी आहुरी बढ़िया वॉइस अच्छी समवन हु सिंग्स फार बेटर गाउछ than I do than I sing I do means I sing okay really asked the king cried the disbelieving emperor he did not believe disbelieve he did not believe याको जोटा विश्वास करियो माने disbelieve है ना so disbelieving emperor he emperor means Akbar okay right he is Akbar no yes Akbar okay so he told really मैंने जिनको पचाले actually अच्छी की then I must have him sing in my court so I must have him माने मोर से दरकार I want him I must have him means I must have him sing मु ताकू okay से मो दरबार रे गाया दरकार था I must have him sing in my court माने दरबार can you arrange for it ताकू डाकी परिवो की arrange कर परिवो Tansen shook his head से ओके से कहला मु सुख माने एटा कहती नॉड कहले मानिबा सुख कहले माने मना करिवा राइट सो तानसेन सुख कार पास्ट टेंस कहि परिवो कैन यू टेल सेक सुख सेकंड लिखो मु लिखती है मु लिख दियो सेक सेक सुख okay second so Tansen shook his don't write at last you will write don't worry Tansen shook his head so मना कले I am afraid he will not come okay sir okay हाँ से पहले से आसीगले सेति कह जाए I am afraid कह जाए जिते बेले को कामटा न हबो सेते कहबो I am afraid हला what not even if he hears that the emperor himself summoned him summoned माने डकई पठेबा sent for हला summoned माने sent for बुझबत ना नहीं हैं तेणु मु डकई पठेछि बोली सुनले भी से if he hears से सुनियो भी आसीओनी no not even then से कहला सेते भी आसीओ okay this reply would have enraged any other emperor enraged रगई थांता बुझबत ना नहीं सेटा अन्य जे भी एम्पेरर हेई थांता ताकू निश्चित रगई थांता बुझबत ना नहीं डोंट राइट एनी किंतु अकबर रागिले he was such an emperor but Akbar was different very well ustaji said Akbar से कौन कहले अकबर कौन कहले very well ustaji ठीक अछि smiling into Tansen's half scared eyes Tansen के डरी जाय छै half scared so scared okay scared माने जानी तो afraid okay so Tansen रो half scared eye को देखि से कहले if he doesn't come से यदि आसीबनी I shall go to him myself मु ता पाखुजी अकबर कहले हसिगिरी कहले will you take me to him हमें मते ता पाखु नै जीवो की yes sir मु नै जी provided माने कंडीशन वगैरह provided माने कोन कंडीशन इधे provided provided इधे होची in the condition को कंडीशन में से जीबे कहले provided you do not come as the emperor of Hindustan तमें एम्पेयर है आसबनी राजा है आसबनी है कंडीशन तमें आसब गोटे लोक है सिंपल लोक है यस है आई shall go as a humble lover of music. Yes, I will go as a small poor man or humble lover of music. Okay, a general man. Ustad ର ଅର୍ଥ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି a title usually used for well regarded teachers and artists. ଉସ୍ତାଦ ତାକୁ କହନ୍ତି ହେଲା ଯିଏ ଭଲ ଆର୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ ଭଲ ଟିଚର म्यूजिशियन मान को भी कहते अच्छा संत हरिदास was the man तानसेन had spoken of so ये जो तानसेन कहले तानसेन हाँ तानसेन जो कहले तानसेन had spoken of तानसेन जोटा कहले जहाँ विषय कहले who is that man संत हरिदास okay हरिदास तांका ना he had been Tansen's music teacher से तानसेन को म्यूजिक शिखेचंदी he had been his teacher okay he had been his teacher and he lived the austere life of a hermit austere means very simple life okay austere life simple life of a hermit hermit means a person who lives alone okay बाबाजी बढ़िया से रहो संत हरिदास when Tansen and the emperor reached the hut जेतबे ता पुरिया रे पहुंचले he was busy with his daily chores daily chores okay तो chores means तार गीत हैला माने से जोटा डेली गाए हैला with that he was busy संत कोरस नु हैला कोरस वाला हैला कोर्स एटा करे when they asked him to sing he smiled but said firmly माने कोन दृढ़ भाव रे कहला हैला हरिदास से firmly माने strongly कहला हरिदास कहला कौन कहला I am long past the age for singing से कहला I am long past माने बहुत दिन रु मु सिंगिंग छाड़ी देली I am long past the age से एज रु बाहरी गली ओके I am long past the age ला for singing हां even his favorite okay people माने की कहि परिबो who can say what is the meaning of people who can say what is the meaning of people student okay even his favorite people okay student ke Tansen songs so even his favorite people could not persuade करे पारलान ताकू परसुएड माने राजी करेगा कोन ताकू राजी करे पारलानी तांकर फेवरेट स्टूडेंट भी ताकू राजी करे पारलानी हैला हैं लेखनी दे ओके देखो him to change his mind माने से कहले मु जाई परिबी but Tansen knew how to get around him ताकू केमदी जिततिबा get around माने जिततिबा ओके सो गेट अराउंड ताकू केमिदी जॉय करी हबो कथारे हैला ताकू केमिदी मनै हबो हैला मनैबा केमिदी मनैबा से जानिथिले he offered to sing before his guru okay he offered to sing before his guru हां से पहले तम गुरु को ये रे हैं सामने तमे गाइबो बुझबते नहीं अच्छा एंड ही मेड ए डेलिबरेट मिस्टेक से गोटे मिस्टेक कर देले ओके डेलिबरेट मींस हैं नोइंगली से गोटे मिस्टेक कर देले जानी कौन मिस्टेक दैट इज नॉट द राइट नोट Tansen cried his teacher amazed amazed माने ओके आश्चर्य होगी कहले that is not the right note तमे एटा ठीक कहलनी what has happened to you तुमको कौन हेची हला what has happened to you so he offered to sing before his guru अच्छा right Tansen did not seem to understand his teacher okay Tansen did not seem to understand his teacher and he made the same mistake again huh? So one mistake कौन कले exasperated माने annoyed माने रागीगिरी Sant Haridas took the Tanpura from Tansen's hands and sang the right note okay से तांकड़ू तानसेन नहीं गले took the Tanpura from Tansen's hands and sang the right note माने अच्छा okay what happened let us see आउ थरे एडू देखिबा देखो but Tansen knew how to get around him तांको केमी जितबो से जानले he offered to sing before his guru से कहले मु तुमको तम आगे गाइबी he offered से कहले मु तम आगे गीत गाइबी he offered himself सर मु गोटे गीत गाइबा चाहूँ आप शुणवे तमें जमी कहूच सर तुम मोर खाताटा देखीद है सर मु लिखी कि ना ठीक देखीद सेमती he offered to sing किए कहला Tansen to sing before his guru before माने ता आगे रे एठी before means कौन in front तेणु से तांको गुरु को आगे रे से कहले मु गीत गाइबा चाहूँ बुझिपारछ and he made a deliberate mistake से जानी जानी मिस्टेक कर हैला मिस्टेक कर दले गाइला बेले हैला गाइला बेले जो मिस्टेक करले दैट सेते बेले से गुरु ताको धइले दैट इज नॉट द राइट नोट से कहले एटा ठीक स्वर नुह हैला Tansen cried his teacher रागी गिरी कहले amazed अरे एटा भूल कर देलु बुझिपारछ ना व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टू यू तोर कोन हेची इमिते भूल कोन करछु हैला होइगिरी कोन कले हैला Tansen did not seem to understand his teacher and he made the same mistake again only same mistake करी गाइले के Tansen exasperated means रागीगिरी annoyed being annoyed रागीगिरी Sant Haridas took the Tanpura from Tansen's hands से ता हाथु Tanpura नहीं आसले तानपुरा इज जंत्रटा हला नहीं आसले and sang the right note एवं ठीक स्वरटा गाइले बुझबत then he went on to the next and the next okay से पुनी गाई चलले next he went on माने continue हला हां तेणु go on माने continue yes so देखो the music spread across the forest like the first glimmer of dawn first glimmer माने glimmer माने जो first light आसे नी सकाळ हैं सूर्य ग्रहण first glimmer of the dawn dawn माने सकाळ ओके जानी छ so जेमिति तंकर एटा अच्छा और the fragrance of jasmine ଗୋଟେ flower fragrance ଜାଣିଛ fragrance ମାନେ ତା ବାସ୍ନା ओके ତେଣୁ ସେଇ କୋ फ्लावर ର ବାସ୍ନା ଭଳିଆ ଲାଗିଲା ମାନେ ଲାଗି ଜଣା ମାନେ ଲାଗିବନି like that କାର jasmine both Akbar Tansen listened to him ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ଶୁଣିଲେ as if they were okay hypnotized जानते तो तू hypnotize कर देंगे तो जहाँ कहबो हम आगे से शेयर करियो हाँ and the emperor realized that तानसेन had spoken the truth. एम्परर भी जानिले बुझी पाइले अरे हाँ रे तानसेन ठीक कथा कहते तानसेन कहतु आहरी भल गाया वाला अच्छा he had not known that music could be like this. Okay, huh? He had not known that music could be like this. Okay, he had certainly never heard anything like it before. आगुरु एठी before माने आगुरु पूर्वरु से एमिति केबे देखि न सुन न as they walked back जेतेबेले से माने गले फेरी गले the emperor suddenly broke the silence to ask Tansen को से पछले as they walked back जेतेबेले माने पळेले हां बुझिबाचो ये emperor आउ ये Tansen emperor suddenly broke the silence माने एते भांगिवा न broke the silence माने जो चुप चुप थिले लुचि गिरी जाइतिले से एबे कथा कहले हला कोन कहले and break the silence to ask Tansen को पछाले कोन why can't you sing like him Ustadji ताको भलिया काय गाइ परिबोनी Tansen smiled हसिले Sehensa I sing at your command आपण मते कमांड दउचंती आदेश दउचंती मु गाउछु हला the command of the emperor of Hindustan हला अच्छा but Guruji sings for one who is king of kings से भगवान को पय गाउचंती हला बुझि पातन नहीं Guruji sings for one who is king of kings आपण को भी बड़ से king of kings his music springs from the depth of his soul spring माने jumps कोद आसुची springs माने jumps कोद आसुची तांको heart रो हला from the depth of his soul आसुची तांको प्राण रो हला soul जानछे तो समझते soul save our soul okay SOS तांको प्राण हां मन तालपुरा ओके फ्री एंड अनआस्क्ड फॉर एटा फ्रीली आसुची ता पय हला केई ताको मागिनी एटा मनु आसु से गाउछन हाउ कैन आई एक्सपेक्ट माय म्यूजिक टू बी सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड डिवाइन तेनु मोटा किंदी एते डिवाइन हबो एते सुंदर हबो एते कनेक्टेड टू गॉड हबो तांको म्यूजिक इज कनेक्टेड his music is connected to God divine means God hala so it is related to God बुझिबल so my music cannot be like him okay so से ताको बुझे देले